Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen experience. Today I want to be preparing pepper stew but with palm oil. I know I already have pepper stew but it was not with palm oil. This one is with palm oil, bleached palm oil. And the things you're seeing right now, they are the ingredients that I'll be using. And I will not be blending them smoothly, which is why I'll be using food processor. These are the things that I'm going to be using. This is rosemary, dry rosemary, turmeric, coriander leaf, and parsley. Then these are my pepper. Hope you remember this pepper. The way I sorted it out the other time is on my channel. Then I have salt. This is beef stock. I have crayfish, onions. Then this is not chicken. And these are the varieties of peppers that I'll be using. And this is the palm oil that I'll be bleaching. You see, different. I think I have 1, 2, 3, 4 different types of pepper that I'll be using to cook this pepper stew. So I want you to watch till the end and see how I did everything. So we're going to go over to the kitchen now. Oh, in case you're asking which protein am I using, I'm using goat meat. It's already on the stove, it's already boiling. So let's get started preparing to blend all this pepper in the food processor. It's going to be kind of cross blend. It's not going to be smooth. So let's get started. So let me go wash the pepper, and as soon as I'm blending, I'll let you see. Okay, I'm back. I've given a thorough wash to the peppers and the onions and all that I needed to blend today. You can see this is another species of the pepper that I'm using. I think it's a species of the big ones. I don't really know. It's another special species. They are tatashe as well, but it's not the regular bell pepper that you know. And this is the hot pepper. What's it called now? Chili. This is chili. So I want enough pepper. I want it to be really hot. It's actually for me and the grown-up ones that can eat it. So I want it really hot. So let's start to blend. Yes, the oil has bleached. This is one of the ways you will know that the oil is fully bleached. If you put onions and it goes this dark, you know that the oil is being properly bleached. I'm adding onions now. So as soon as the meat is ready, I'll take it to the oven. And this is the blended pepper. Hope you can see. So I'll be adding it to it. As soon as the onion sautés, I'm going to add the blended peppers and onions, what have you. So here's the pepper blend. I'm adding everything to it. If you ask me, it's almost the same thing as I say. Can't really tell you the difference, because at this stage I could even add my roux I can still add my roux. It's just that it's the twist is just that it's different pepper. This is my roux. I could add it to it. So I'm going to cover it as it boils. Here's the goat's meat, so I'm taking it to the oven right now. See, the pepper is drying up. The oil is coming on top gradually. So I have to put the seasoning that I need to put. Adding turmeric. I'm adding the coriander. This is the parsley leaf. And the rosemary. So let me test and see what we have there. Everything is on point, but we just need it to dry up some more. So let's see how this stew is doing right now. You can see the oil is fully up, but I still want to leave it for some time. But I will add the meat at this time so that it can soak in. So I liked to dry up some more. Okay friends, we have come to the end of this tutorial on our pepper stew. I want to say thanks for watching. Please make sure you subscribe, make sure you thumbs up, and do share this video. Until I come your way with another video, keep basking in the joy of the Lord.